Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of footbags with the Footbag SandMaster Hacky Sack. If you're looking for the best SandMaster Hacky Sack on the market, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this footbag stands out from the rest. The Footbag SandMaster Hacky Sack is designed for enthusiasts who appreciate quality and performance. It's filled with sand, offering consistent kicks and easy delays, perfect for both beginners and seasoned players alike. With its 14-panel construction, this footbag maintains its round shape exceptionally well, ensuring accurate kicks and smooth stalls. What sets the SandMaster apart is its construction. Made from super soft and tough synthetic suede, it's not only durable but also washable, making maintenance a breeze. The tighter stitching and unique corner closures add to its longevity, so you can enjoy countless hours of play without worrying about wear and tear. Whether you're practicing your footwork or enjoying a casual game with friends, the SandMaster delivers. Its sand-filled interior provides just the right weight for controlled kicks, while the improved outer cover enhances grip and precision. It's designed for adults and crafted to withstand rigorous play, ensuring it stays in top shape no matter how intense your sessions get. If you're wondering why you should choose the SandMaster over other footbags, the answer lies in its performance and durability. It's built to last, with a reputation for maintaining its shape and softness even after extensive use. Whether you're honing your skills or simply unwinding, this footbag is a reliable companion. In conclusion, the Footbag SandMaster Hacky Sack lives up to its reputation as the best in its class. With its sand-filled core, durable synthetic suede cover, and meticulous craftsmanship, it's a favorite among players worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this footbag promises endless fun and skill improvement. Interested in trying out the SandMaster for yourself? Check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.